Hi, I'm Ashley Adamson, and I'm in Washington. This is the garage in Washington. I'm going to take you on a tour on my farm that I just moved to from Berlin to Washington State. This is our gym right here, which is kind of cool. There's a squat rack, which I'm looking forward to growing my glutes on. And we're going to go, oh yeah, and then this is like the garage here where we do all of the building and stuff. It's like a full tool setup. Pretty cool. I wanted to make this video several times yesterday, today, and earlier this week, and it's been hard for me, and it kind of brought up this thing that I think is kind of important to talk about, which is transformation and your ability to kind of step into the things that you really want out of life. You know, those things that you're thinking about, whether you're thinking about starting to transition, you're thinking about kicking off a big project, or just starting that thing that you really, really care about and want to see. Sometimes, how do I put this? Do you feel sometimes like there's kind of this feeling, this hesitancy that you have where you're scared of actually taking a step forward because it feels like too much? I feel like this way about some of the things that I've been working on, and most recently just making a YouTube video because I'm in such a different place. Check out the chickens. They're gathering now. Hello, chickens. And then this is that's our fireplace, and then over there that's my tiny home that I live in. Yeah, we're an organic farm. That's one of our greenhouses there. That's our forest back there. And then there's another greenhouse over there. But yeah, so I'm just going to kind of walk around and talk. I don't really know what I'm doing. And this is kind of the point. This is what I wanted to get to for you. If you've got a big project or you're thinking about doing something that seems like a really big deal, I know some of you may be thinking about transitioning and you're like, oh my God, how do I start or what do I do? That's Mo. And like, here's the thing. There's no perfect answer. There's no perfect way to go about starting this big project that you want to do. And I was trying to do it yesterday and I was tearing myself up inside because I was feeling like, oh my God, why am I not doing this video? I should be able to do this. This is something that I can do. Like, have you said that to yourself? Like, whether it's about starting back on your gym routine, starting back on a better diet or sleeping schedule, all of these things can feel like they've turned into monsters. That's what it is. Your projects can turn into such a big monster that you just don't want to finish it or you just don't want to pick it back up. And the best way to kind of make it happen is what I'm doing right now, which is just being super rough. Yesterday I had all of my makeup on, I was looking great, and now there's no makeup or anything. I'm just shooting a video, walking around, and like breathing. Yeah, I've honestly not been walking a lot because it's been raining all week, this past week. So check this out. This is the forest in the backyard. There's Mo in the background. Yeah, it's pretty crazy, this life that I'm living and being here, and it's kind of cool, you know. I think we need to take risks. I think that's kind of like a big thing that I stand for, is just taking these risks and changes in your life that can make things better, you know. So what can you do in your life to move yourself forward and make something greater? Hi, Carla. That's Carla. Carla's awesome. She's about to go back to work, so can't bother her. But yeah, like, you know, when you're thinking about your life and you're thinking about how can you make a step forward, maybe it's time to approach that big project, that big move, that big change in your life that's going to make things better, but not allow yourself to get caught up in the emotional weight and baggage of starting it. Just say, you know what? I'm not going to do it perfectly. I'm just going to go for it. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to break the seal. You know, just go for something. It doesn't need to be ideal. It doesn't need to be the way that you want it to be. Just go for it. And you'll figure it out. You'll make it better. And once you've broken that seal, it becomes a lot easier to, I don't know why they're screaming. Once you've broken that seal, it becomes a lot easier to just go for it. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. Last thing that I'm going to show you over here is my bedroom before I get going. And are there any final thoughts? You know, I just kind of see this happen a lot with people who are transitioning or thinking about starting hormones. They're like, oh my God, like, I mean, I don't know if you're there, but people go, oh my God, like, how do I, like, I don't know if I should, or it seems like such a big deal to take hormones, and I don't know. And I always say it's just like taking a pill. You can just stop taking the pill if you don't feel like you're going in the right direction. You can just start and then see what happens. And that's like making this video. I'm just making this video. It's kind of dumb. I have a little bit of inspirational messaging in here, and that's the important part. But you know, this is not perfect, and it's never gonna be perfect. Okay, so this is my tiny home. Oh my God, all of the chickens are following me. All right, welcome to my tiny, tiny little home. Let me get the... Okay, so this is it. So over here is this, I added this rack here. I'm drying my socks on it. And then this is my bed. I added those shelves recently. There's, you may have seen that in my background before. And then, yeah, then just my laundry, and then it's a wall. And then my coats. That's it. Like, this is like 8 by 8. It's super small. And it's perfect for me because it lets me kind of just focus on what's important. There's obviously another area which I need to work through, which is kind of like our loft clubhouse. But yeah, that's kind of like a little tour. What'd you think? How's it going? What'd you think of this video? I don't normally walk around and talk. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. But, oh yeah, and here's another greenhouse. And then there's another greenhouse. And there's all our firewood. So yeah, so let me know how this video was. I don't normally walk around and talk, but if you want me to walk around and talk, I'm open to doing that. And I'll catch you in another video soon. Bye.